You can fly up to 400 feet. You're right, 400 feet is high.
Yeah.
That's 52 feet?
That's 90 feet.
God.
I'm getting afraid of heights just looking at the screen. Whoa! Can you not seeing the screen?
Oh, they say.
You can see the ocean.
Let me see.
Yeah, I'm coming down.
Oh, no, go up higher.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Let's see.
Power. Look at it.
The air quality is good today.
It's a little bit different when you're on the control there, Gizmo. That's just half the battery. Yeah. Plus, I don't know how much battery I have on the phone. If my phone runs out while I'm up that high, you know what happens? I don't know.